item that every kitchen must have is a good set of quality chef's knives. This is my favorite brand of chef's knife. It's called Wüsthof, and these I've been using for over 20 years. This brand is the recommended brand of knife at the culinary school that I attended, and it has never let me down. This set right here comes with a variety of knives, so if you can afford to invest in a whole set with a block like this, I definitely recommend it. A set is going to come with likely an 8-inch chef's knife, a serrated knife, which I use often in my videos, and it's going to come with a utility knife like this one. It also is going to come with several paring knives, which are small knives. And the reason why I recommend a set is because it usually comes with a pair of kitchen shears, which are very helpful. And it comes with what's called a steel. This is what you use to sharpen the knives with. So I definitely recommend getting a set of quality kitchen knives. If you can only choose one kitchen knife, I recommend a chef's knife, an 8-inch chef's knife. All right, and there it is. You're going to cut it vertically in half. This way we can cut out the really hard core that's in the center of this. So I like to use a big chef's knife. This is my Wüsthof 8-inch chef's knife. I'll share a link in the description below of where you can purchase this on Amazon. So what you're going to do is using the claw like this with your hand. You don't ever want to have your fingers out like this while you're chopping with a big knife, because you can cut off your fingertips and fingernails. So you always want to use the claw. Using the claw, I'm going to hold the cauliflower and make sure that it's sturdy. Then with my big chef's knife, I'm going to incision a little bit. Then I'm going to put my hand on the top and just with one swift motion, cut the whole cauliflower in half. So this is what that inside of the cauliflower looks like. This part right here is a really tough core. It's not very edible, so it's best to cut that out. And here's how you do that. The best way I found to do this is to take the knife, holding the cauliflower steadily, make a triangle incision on both sides. So I'm going to cut down 1, 2, and I basically just cut out that really tough part. Pleasant. Then I take a little paring knife or a big knife. This is a Wüsthof paring knife. I like to use this brand. I'll share a link in the description below. What I do is I do what's called the bridge. I hold my hand like a little bridge over the avocado like that. Then slowly and carefully I take my knife and I place it in between. Then I cut down into the avocado. There is a hard pit in the center, so you want to just go around the pit like that until you've met with your first line. Then you take the avocado like this and then gently twist it, and that's how you open the avocado.